I'm on a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start your vehicle. First, open the hood. Over here's your battery, and then double check on here that your terminals are accessible, and that this would be your positive here, and this would be your negative. And you can also double check these on the battery as well, because there's a little plus sign on the battery and a little negative sign on the battery. But next, I would make sure the corrosion's all cleaned up. So if there is some corrosion built up, you can clean it off with a brush or a good rag. And then I'd make sure these are nice and tight, which you can tighten them up with these. But once you've done that, then you take your jump box or jumper cables and take your metal clamps and have your positive clamp directly to the metal here, and your negative clamp directly to the metal here. If you run into another vehicle, make sure your positive clamp is running directly to the positive on the other vehicle, and your negative clamp directly to the negative on the other vehicle. And you make sure these don't get crossed at all, because even a few seconds of that could cause damage to your fuses, computer systems, things like that. But once you've had the other vehicle running for a while and these have been connected, hopefully a few minutes or so will get you enough juice to start your car. If you're having issues, double check you've got a good connection on the metal on each end. If you've been doing this for quite a while and you're still having issues, you might just need to replace this battery, which, if needed, just loosen these connections to get the support bar out, loosen these to get it out of the way, loosen these connectors so you can lift them off, and then you just lift your old battery out, stick your new battery in, and then retighten everything so it's nice and secure. And at that point you should be able to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.